Hey roses! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll tell you ways you can naturally brighten your skin and get rid of that stubborn suntan. Because no one wants to deal with dark spots or uneven skin tone, right? And don't worry, you don't need fancy skincare products. This is an all-natural, no harsh chemicals and easy recipes that you can whip up at home. You should know that having a fresh, even tone complexion can make your skin look healthier and glowy. The goal is to get healthy skin. Everyone's skin shade is unique and beautiful. These recipes I'll tell you about will help to brighten and keep your skin looking gorgeous. Here's what you'll need to get that fair and glowing skin. 1 lemon and honey. 2 potato juice. 3 yogurt and turmeric. 4 aloe vera and cucumber gel. 5 sugar and lemon scrub. These ingredients are easy to find, and best of all, they're gentle on the skin and very budget-friendly. So, let's get started. 1 lemon and honey mask. Lemon is a natural brightening agent that can lighten dark spots and tan, while honey adds a soft, glowy vibe to your skin and keeps your skin moisturized. Mix 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of honey and apply it to your face or any tanned area in your body. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it off with cool water. Please make sure you don't use lemon if you have sensitive skin or open cuts. It can be a little too strong. Do this twice a week for best and faster results, and avoid going out in the sun after applying lemon to avoid any irritation. Also apply sunscreen afterward. 2 potato juice. Potatoes are amazing for brightening your skin. Potatoes have natural bleaching agents, making them perfect for lightening and evening out your skin tone. Grate a small potato in a bowl. Extract the juice and apply it to any dark spots or tan, whether it's your neck, hands, or legs. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes, then wash it off. It's as easy as that. You can use it daily for a fairer and brighter skin because it is gentle. And there's more. You can mix potato juice with a spoon of milk and a pinch of turmeric to get a milky and fair glowy skin. Just add enough potato juice with milk and turmeric. Mix them together and apply it all over your body for 15 minutes daily, and you'll start to see your skin getting brighter and fair. 3 yogurt and turmeric. Yogurt and turmeric are like the dream team for brighter and fairer skin. Yogurt gently exfoliates, while turmeric brightens and adds a glowy shine to your face. Use 2 tablespoons of yogurt and a pinch of turmeric. Just a pinch. You don't want to end up with yellow stains. Mix it well and apply to your skin. Leave it for 15 minutes before washing it off. It's super easy, super gentle, and it makes your skin feel amazing. You can do these 3 or 4 times a week for faster results. 4 aloe vera and cucumber gel. Aloe vera gel is not only soothing but helps brighten and heal your skin, while cucumber has a gentle skin brightening effect. It's like a spa moment right at home. I'll teach you how you can make an aloe vera and cucumber gel. You're going to mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with a tablespoon of cucumber juice. Apply it all over your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse. You can use this gel daily. It is perfect for hot days or after any sun exposure. Your skin needs a little extra love. 5 sugar and lemon scrub. Lastly, let's make a sugar and lemon scrub for a gentle body exfoliation. Exfoliating your skin once a week helps remove dead skin cells and allows your skin to absorb all these other ingredients better. Mix 1 tablespoon of sugar with a few drops of lemon juice and a teaspoon of honey. Gently rub this scrub on your face and body in a circular motion, then rinse off after 5 minutes. Please know that exfoliating once a week is great, so don't go overboard. You want a smooth skin, not an irritated one. Tips for bright skin. Now that you know these recipes, you must learn lifestyle tips to enjoy that bright and glowing skin. Stay hydrated. You must feed your skin from the inside too, so drink 8 glasses of water every day. Sunscreen. Always use your sunscreen, even on cloudy days. It's the best way to protect your skin from sun damage and tan. Eat fruits and veggies. Foods rich in vitamins C and E are amazing for your skin health. Eat fruits like oranges, berries, and green vegetables. Get enough sleep. Beauty sleep is real. When you rest, your skin has time to repair itself. You must have a full 8 to 9 hours sleep at night so that your skin can thank you by being pretty and fair. And remember, getting fair and bright skin is all about consistency. None of these remedies work overnight, but with regular care, you'll start to see results faster. These DIY masks and lifestyle tips will have you glowing naturally in no time. Remember, every skin type is unique, so find what works best for you and stick with it. And learn to always embrace your natural beauty. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more beauty and skincare tips, and comment below what your favorite natural skincare recipe is. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.